drink. But yeah. So today we're leaving. But yeah, y'all, we leave today or whatever. Look, little something. See that fade on it though. See that fade though. Hold up. But yeah, y'all, so we leave today. So y'all come with me. But we'll get back to y'all. Look. Alright now, I just took a shower. Now I'm finna brush my teeth. But yeah, we done. Now, finna go finish packing the car. Yeah, guys, packing the car. Come back, we'll see y'all in a little bit. Yeah, for sure. Alright, y'all. Now, we going to go get snacks and stuff for the trip. And yeah. Smooth little tip, but yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Here go baby Kato. Kai. He don't know what's going on. He looking at y'all like, why is y'all here? So I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get to the store. For real. So we made it to Walmart. And y'all, it's a blessing. Look, this says. So we made it to Walmart shopping center. You know how we do. Now I'm finna get some food.
I would love to have some Ed Hardy.
Yes, we're Ed Hardy down. No.
My mom said no.
Now I'm finna go shopping for fuel because I'm a rat dude. Yeah. Look at Kai. He don't know nothing but that little smile.
Looking at people smile. That's his steady smile.
That's that smile like when you stop talking to me.
Yeah.
Get a buggy because I think we're going 2 separate ways.
I'm gonna smile because I'm a baby.
Leo, go ahead and get his baby food and stuff.
We going
I thought
to
you were getting the baby food.
Kai. You gonna record Kai?
Okay.
I just stopped. Alright, y'all, so they getting last minute things, of course. Y'all know me. I stay ready because I don't never have to get ready because I stay ready. You feel me? But yeah. Then we finna go get some food, snacks, things of that nature. We ain't sponsoring nobody. But anybody. Yeah. Anyway. Y'all, so these are the people we have. Alright, this is the monkey, aka Kenzie. That's Nate. That's Mom.
Hi.
Yep, this
Get
is
that
the 8,
camera on my
aka
face.
Nadia. Don't touch it. That's Mom.
Wait, stop.
And then you have this one. Alright. Girl, let me freak it. Ike is 25th. That's sad. You don't even know my birthday.
You don't know mine? Have it even passed yet?
Yup.
When?
Nah. It passed in June or April. Oh, I'm dead wrong. It's alright. She don't know mine, so we even. I'm just ready to go get the snacks. Y'all know me.
Yeah, she do.
Y'all finna put y'all way in the air.
I think that's it.
Alright, on to the snacks.
You need a white black shirt. You got one? You got one? Oh.
Shirt, not. I'm scared. Yeah, it's my time to walk 5 minutes. Pew. I did that. Alright, y'all. Well, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we actually go and get a snack, because I need to just walk around. And that ain't, I already know how to do this, so yeah. See y'all in a little. Alright, y'all, so we down at Chip Out right now. Don't nobody know what they want, but a real.
When you get that milk.
Yeah, because I can't. There's people right there.
Right where?
Right there.
What you getting?
Alright, y'all. So second thought, I don't know what I'm getting. Okay. I'm just playing. Yes, I do. And I get them. Kids, if you gonna put that. Fuck up. What are you looking at? Like, see it. Y'all must think mama made a money or something. She not.
I made a money though.
But you not. You made of monkey. 100% monkey. Oh, there go my mama, y'all. Bro, put it.
It's always been good for
Mom, you getting Kyle a little bag of hot, not hot Cheetos, Cheeto Puff. What you getting him?
Cheeto Puffs.
I don't even know. I don't want that in that store. Like, I'm just Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a little bit once y'all figure out what I want. You got the snacks and stuff. Couldn't get my pineapple because it wouldn't close. The thing was up there to close. But, yeah. Well, we're gonna go to the bank now. But yeah, just off my empty crib. So now, going to the bank.
Hey, Ruby.
But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We'll get back to your car when we're leaving. But yeah. Alright, now we are officially finna get on the road. It's open. I'm trying to figure. Which way you want to turn? This way or towards you? That's as far as it goes.
It's working back there?
Oh,
Then probably got to turn that one on. I think that's the one for y'all in the back.
it's blowing out, but not as high as y'all's is.
I mean, it is
Alright, y'all, so road trip.
Do what you just did.
Leah. There it go. I just came starting to blow out more. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. We're officially on the road. I'm a little upset. Y'all can see I don't have a shirt anymore. But yeah, it'll be okay.
Precious was that sleep. Oh my gosh, he did not just
He's sleeping good too. Well, Kyle over here farting and boo-booing, but I'm gonna get back to y'all in a little bit. Alright, y'all. Sorry, now I'm just eating my pineapples. Put y'all on, the darker the pineapple, the sweeter they are. These weren't that dark. These were the darkest one they had, but so they not really as sweet. But, real sweet. Station. We got an hour and 31 minutes, 53 miles. So yeah, y'all hear Kai? But yeah, hour and 31. Supposed to get that at 5:44, but yeah. So see y'all in a little bit. We 14 minutes away. It's 6:12. I mean, we're gonna get that at 6:22. I don't know why I said this. 6:12 is like 6 something. But yeah. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when we pull it up in the house. Okay? See y'all in a little bit. Hey y'all, we finna pull up to the place.
Oh, I think.
We're gonna get something to eat now. It had changed because y'all know the incident that happened earlier. Everything gonna bust down. But anyway,
at the light,
because y'all know I had mama turn the corner too far and the whole thing flipped on me. So I changed. Now we're going to get something to eat. And yeah.
Look at the horses, Kai.
Can't ready to get out the car seat again. But yeah, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get to the place. We're going to a food truck thing. So yeah, I'm gonna get y'all a house tour when I get back, cause it was like go in, change, come out, and yeah. But, yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all a little bit. Cause stop throwing your pacifier at me. I don't care. Stop it. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all a little bit. You wanna be in the video? All right, huh? I'm gonna record. Yeah, talk for the camera. Tell them what you tired being in the car seat. Close it. Oh my God, I hate when you make this face. Bye. You said bye. All right, he told y'all bye. I don't want to be on camera no more, so. But I'm gonna get back to y'all a little bit. Just made it to the food truck place. We parking now. But yeah, y'all, so right now, just looking for a parking spot. Yeah. Get to y'all when we find a parking spot and start walking in. So Chen just ordered some food. Alright, it's ready. Alright, hold on, I'm finna get the food. Got this little, not to be racist, Mexican concert. Anyway, so yeah, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but yeah, they performing over here, live performing. So we just sitting over here. But everybody got their food and stuff. I don't know if y'all can hear, so I'm gonna catch up with y'all when we get to the house. Come on. I learned a little Mexican, El Pepe. I don't know what that means.
So y'all, they gotta sing this song. It go to the pool side.
Lane, it's a lane right here. She being lame. She not.
Sit down.
Ronaldo better. No Messi.
Atención músico. Sí, ok. Curiqui tacatí. Sí.
Hold on.
Sí, ya. Curiqui tacatí. Curiqui tacatao. Curiqui tacatí. Curiqui tacatao. Tacatí, tacatí,
I don't know what. That's a Diddy party.
Want me to put in 0.5? Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Auntie said Uncle Rodney gonna get his food and she can't carry all that food.
Hurry up.
Damn, we're the person. Just choose somebody, bro. Oh my God, I'm scared.
I ain't gonna lie, I kinda scared.
Do that man over there standing up with the black shirt.
Hell nah, he might be in the cartel. I don't want to do no mess. I want to do this fat white man right here.
Come on, do it.
They're gonna be like, you talking back there. Wait, who y'all talking about?
The fat white man sitting down. Go this way. Okay, go. Y'all go get Tajay. Go get Tajay them. Go.
Hey, record me, Sasha.
Step one to hit a bachata, okay?
Hey, anyway. So, now, I'm gonna let y'all know when we get back to the house. It's loud. Now I'm finna get in the pool. And yeah,
Yeah, let me do this.
5 feet. This don't even look 5 feet down here.
I had to figure out how to do it.
But yeah, we finna get in the pool in a little bit. I'm finna go put on some swim trunks.
Found us.
So yeah, coming right back. First one that's finna get in the pool, cause everybody else still. Oh, this water ain't even that cold either. Oh yeah, we turned. But yeah, y'all. So I'm in the pool and stuff. But let me put your phone up, cause I really ain't trying to mess it up. Trying to see where everybody else at. Let me see. Come back.
Zay, they can't even see y'all.
Alright, y'all, that's probably the end of this vlog, cause it's 2:53 at night, so we just finna chill at this point. But I'm gonna see y'all later in the next video.